How to fix YouTube playlist watch later not showing. If any day you are facing a problem like this on your YouTube application and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and search YouTube out there. After you search YouTube out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very YouTube application. After you tap on the very YouTube application, you have to go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications and tap on notification. After you tap on notification, you have to allow the notification and also need to allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back again and go to the option of permissions and tap on permissions. After you tap on permission, you have to allow the permission to the camera, to the microphone, to the notification, to the photos and videos. You also need to allow the permission to the contacts by tapping on the allow. Likewise, you also need to allow the permission to the location by tapping on the option of allow, and you also need to allow the permission to the phone by tapping on allow. This way you have to have all of the permissions out there. Now you have to go to the next option, that is set as default, and tap on set as default, and you need to enable the open supported links. After that, you have to go back again and then go to the option of storage and tap on storage. If you see any cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear down the cache and again go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of app details and store and tap on app details and store. After that, you have to check whether there is any update option out there. If there is any update option out there, you have to update it, otherwise your problem is solved. Now you can go to the option of open on YouTube. After you go to the option of open on YouTube, now you can see that the YouTube has been opened. Now you can go to the option of the view out there, and after you go to the option of view out there, you can see that the option of the watch later or any of those has been seen on your very YouTube account out there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.